What are the benefits of using robots in industries? The use of robots in industries has several benefits. Foresee improve efficiency by performing repetitive tasks faster and more accurately than humans. Additionally, robots can operate in hazardous environments, reducing the risk of injury to workers. Do you think robots will replace humans in the workplace? While robots are likely to replace humans in some tasks, such those that are repetitive or dangerous, I believe there will always be a need for human skills in areas that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. How do you feel about the increasing use of robots in everyday life? I think the increasing use of robots in everyday life has both advantages and challenges. On the one hand, robots can make life more convenient by performing tasks such as cleaning or delivering goods. On the other hand, we need to be cautious about over-reliance on technology and the potential loss of jobs. What are some potential ethical concerns regarding the use of robots? One of the main ethical concerns regarding the use of robots is the potential impact on employment, as automation may lead to job displacement. Additionally, there are questions about data privacy and the extent to which robots should be allowed to make autonomous decisions, particularly in areas like healthcare and law enforcement.